How to fix Little Witch in the Woods crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click on the game in your library and open up the properties window, and then under launch options you want to type the -dx11 like this, or you can try -d3d11 if the first one does not work properly. And then you want to go to the installed files tab and then click on this button to verify the game files and wait for this process to finish. Now once this is done, you can close this window and then open up your GPU app. So for NVIDIA GPUs you will need NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers section and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You can also try to reinstall it if you have the latest one already. Next, you will need to install the redistributables. So you'll need to open your browser and search for redist. Then click on the first link. Then scroll down to this table. Make sure to download the 86 version and the 64 version for Windows and install them. Now, once you finish installing these two versions, you should restart your system and then just open up Steam and open the game again, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.